Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are going to draw and paint the red angry bird step by step with a cool 3D shadow effect. Let's start with the eyebrows. They are thick and little slanted to give that classic angry expression. Right below that, draw a small line and then below that we will draw the nose and mouth area. Next, draw two large, overlapping eyes, nice and round, right above the beak and just under nose thick eyebrows. This gives the bird that classic angry look. Now let's complete the round face and add the two little hair feathers on the top of the head. Once we are done with the pencil sketch, we will use a black sketch pen to make the outlines bold and clean. Now it's time to add some color. We will start by coloring the eyebrows black. Then fill the entire face and hair feathers with red. The beak gets light brown shade. And just below the beak, we will use a lighter yellow to give it a colorful finish. Now comes the fun part, making it look 3D. Imagine the light is coming from the top, so we will add shading at the bottom to create a shadow. Draw the shadow about 2 inches below the bird's face. This helps create the illusion that the bird is floating above the paper. Next, carefully cut the top half of the background paper around the bird's head. Placing this on a black background makes the shadow stand out even more and give a real floating effect. Let's now refine the shadow. And finally use a pencil to roll across the shadow area to create a sense of depth. This makes it looks like the bird is fixed in the air and it really feels like it's floating just above the paper. And that's it, our 3D Angry Bird is done. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Let me know in the comments if you want more 3D art like this. Thanks for watching and see you next time.